learned it the hard way. Friends never last long. I'm trying to get my cash long. You niggas off point like the bag wrong.
Yep, I know. The blunt getting low. I'm about to roll another one, don't worry. But in the meantime, it's your guy J100 Puff Puff No Pass React, back with another fire ass reaction video. Today we gonna be reacting to Back to Nature, Fails of the Week, February 2021. The month just started, and people already getting off to a bad start for the month. I'm glad it ain't me. The month been going good, the year been going good, man. I hope y'all can say the same. But I know these people in this video can't. Yeah. Now, with that being said, I'm not going to keep y'all too long because I want to get to this action. So do me a favor. Hit that like button. Hit the like button for your guy. Hit the like button for your guy. Hit that subscribe button for me too while you at it. Hit that subscribe button. And please make sure that notification bell is turned on so you will not miss one single reaction from me when I upload. I don't even think I need to say the rest, because y'all all know I upload often. That's a fact. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. Back to Nature, Fails of the Week, February 2021. Let's go.
Goed, recht erop. Wow!
Shout out to Roken Vapes. If you're gonna vape, vape the right way and get you a Roken Vape. Real talk. Boy wasn't tasting none of the cookie. Bruh. No way.
No, she's my face.
They should have already known that was gonna happen, bro. She set herself up for. Oh, you lucky. He almost cracked them gonads. Oh shit. Oh man. That's what they always say about them dogs. He don't bite shit until he bites you. Oh. I know he felt every bit of that one.
Heard about Carolina Reapers. They're like the granddaddy of all peppers. They're supposed to be some of the hottest things you can eat.
You ready to take a look?
Yeah. That looks like Satan. Okay, you ready?
Cheers, mate.
All right.
Oh.
That's delicious. And very hot.
Oh shit. He about to pass out. He must not be able to do hot food at all. Hey, that Pocky one chip challenge, that'll probably fuck him up for real.
You okay?
Ad gang.
Can you come in here? I need you to check something out.
Oh.
Echo, what do I do if somebody's missing?
Here's something I found on the web. According to blogspot.com, whoever that somebody is had better have a salad.
What? Bro, hiking. Oh. I already know that was gonna happen. That's why I don't fuck with the snow. Or the ice.
That's $30.
It's a wrap. That wrapping paper over with. Don't even try to fold it. Or roll it back up. Oh. That morning dew on that grass. I put you on your ass. And he should have not have been doing that.
Challenge here. Oh my god. Go.
All over your camera, bro. All over your camera.
Babe. I made a mess. Yeah.
What do you think was? What do you thought was gonna happen?
I can't stop my phone because I got the egg yolk on it.
Alexa, can you give me a fart?
For real, bro. Hey, this is what people be doing with their time, their free time, bro.
Try asking you to fart 17 times in a row.
Alexa, can you fart 17 times in a row?
17 farts coming in a row.
Oh, Lord. Too much free time. Bust your ass weather. See? Already, bro. Already. I don't fuck with the snow or the ice. I hate it. For that reason. Oh, shit, man. Damn, dog. And that dog look kind of heavy, too. Oh, my God. Epic fail.
Who said snow can't be fun?
Hey, oh, homie, getting this workout in.
There we go. Oh. A present for me?
He about to throw that shit.
No present for me, Tony. No, I don't need a snowball. Thank you. I do not need a snowball.
Man, damn, ad gang. Fuck about to happen to the old homie. It was going too smooth.
They're not coming
Oh, that was
out.
it.
So, wouldn't recommend putting these in your hair. Pray for me!
What the fuck is that,
This
candy?
is the dumbest thing I have ever done.
The fuck was that, bro? Stupid. Stupid.
I want to look good this year, and I'm trying to make my bangs look good, and this is what is happening. I look crazy.
Better go to the
I need help.
beautician.
So I'm doing this. I'm going like this, right? But what is that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, the plastic was still on that shit.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! There's plastic.
Yo.
I just melted.
Oh, shit. She gotta cut it. She gonna have to cut that shit off. Of course. Because you're supposed to punch it.
This is how we do it.
They reenacted my favorite movie, Step.
Alright, this is my new pet goldfish, guys. We're gonna go put him in his new home.
Hey, hold on, bro.
There you go.
I gotta run that back.
Alright, this is my new pet goldfish, guys. We're gonna go put him in his new home. There you go. Look at him. He's so pretty. Oh.
Ate just like
My
that.
goldfish. No.
Circle of Life, Lion King. Bro, don't back up no more. Are you serious? Are you serious? Dude he was trying to get him a little man. Oh. Man. It ain't enough salt in the world. Oh, homie. Just put the boat, man. Take the boat back. Go back to the crib, bro. Go back to the land. Horses just roaming free and shit. Where the fuck they at?
Hey, get off my porch.
And they was taking over Hobie's house.
How to stop buffering
Ad
issues
gang,
anywhere,
ad gang.
anytime,
Man, they
instantly.
get some money off these ads, bro. Yee. That's my guy. Look at him. Hey, it's cool. Fuck it. Hey, he did some G shit right there, man. How you supposed to land after that? This was fire. Hey, it was a lot of fails, man, but it was a lot of dubs too, man. A couple people on here had a few dubs. Hey, if you like this video, hit that like button. Hit that like button for me. And then also, man, if it's some videos y'all want me to react to, drop them down in the comments below. Y'all already know I check my comments and I interact with y'all frequently, man. So I will react to the videos y'all request. So drop it down in the comments below. Once again, if you got some videos you want me to react to, drop them down in the comments below. With that being said, about to roll up, knock out a couple more reaction videos for y'all. Until then, I'm up out of here. Yeah.